Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to thread a needle for hand sewing. This will be a beginner sewing tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a sewing needle and I have some thread, and I'm going to thread this needle. Let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to remove the sewing needle like this and place that thread to the side. I have this piece of thread right here that I will be using. Now I'm going to show you two different methods for threading a sewing needle. First, I'm going to zoom in to give you a little bit of a better view and to try and get the camera to focus in on what I'm doing right here. Okay, so hopefully this is focused enough and you can see. On the end here, what you want to do before you even start is get the end of the thread, just give it a little twist like this with your finger, okay? That will really give it a fine tip, which will help you thread it through the eye of the needle. Okay, so let me show you right here. If you look at your sewing needle, let's get the camera to focus in once again. That little hole right there is actually called the eye of the needle, okay? And what you want to do is you want to take the thread that you just got the tip of, and you want to bring your finger right towards the end. You want to turn the eye so that you can see it, but not directly in front of you, sort of on an angle like that. So you can still gauge where it is, but you're not going downwards into it. Then you're going to take the thread and you're going to rest your fingers against each other so you're not shaking around or moving around. And then you're going to slowly bring it into the eye of the needle. And it will take some practice. It's not going to be easy, but with a little bit of maneuvering, you can get it through just like that, okay? Now the key there is to place your fingers against each other, because that's what gives you the leverage, and that's how to thread a needle the first way. Now for the second way. So for the second way, what you're going to do is this is used if you have a smaller eye of a needle, because it gives you a little bit more leverage to push it through. You want to create a stronger thread end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end of the thread and I'm just going to loop it. So I'm just looping it like that, okay? So I just created a little loop like that. As you can see, hopefully we can focus in on that. We just created a little loop like that. Then you want to move your finger a little bit further forward so that it's just a tiny, tiny little loop. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to get your needle, your sewing needle, and you're going to get the eye of the needle, and you're going to just try and work with your fingers held against each other for leverage and stability. You're going to try and work that little loop through that eye of that needle. It will take a little bit of finessing, and I'm pretty far away, so I'm going to come a little bit closer with my eye so I can see exactly what I'm doing. But it will go through. Oh, we almost had it right there. As you can see, like I said, it will take a little bit of practice, and if this was closer to my vision, it would be a bit faster. But when you get it, when you work it, there we go. No, we're almost there. It will make its way through. I promise you that. But I'm just going to keep working at it until we get it through, almost just like that. Okay, I'm coming a little bit closer to the camera now so I can really see what's going on here. There we go. Now I'm close enough. So once again, you want to make a loop, okay? And it does come with practice. And you want to take that loop and, we're almost there. Feed it through the eye of that needle. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, just like that. Now we're going to get it through for sure. All right, so we're just going to push it through there. Almost there. There we go. So then once you get that eye, that thread through, you just pull it through and you're good. Now, like I said, I was pretty far away from it because I'm looking through a camera and I don't know, about 2.5 feet away from the camera. So I had to come a lot closer. But like I said, those are the two ways to thread a needle. Really, really easy to do. Like, it seemed difficult, but if you practice it and if you're within a good vision distance from it, then it'll be easy to do. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.